What's up everyone, this is Jens with Unwind and Replay. In the last tutorial I showed you a website that directly converts DaVinci Markers to YouTube chapters. Today I want to show you a desktop app that can handle multiple timelines. Fire up your browser and go to rubbleroot.de. Hit Tools, Markers to Chapters Converter, scroll down a little and download. Extract the zip file to any place you like and you're good to go. Now run the tool and choose a folder it will be watching. I set it to desktop. First, I'm going to show you output to Clipboard and set it to delete the EDL file after processing, which also tells the tool to shut down right afterwards. Now set it to watch and we're good to go. Export any timeline and see, it exported the YouTube ready chapters to the Clipboard. Now for multiple timelines. Set it to use file and uncheck this option. Hit watch again and just export multiple timelines from DaVinci. I do Let's Plays and walkthroughs, so I'm usually adding multiple videos to YouTube at a time. And there we go. The tool created a text file with all the timelines in it. Currently it duplicates the file output, but that shouldn't be an issue. It also does not yet parse the hour timestamps, so for longer videos you'll have to correct that yourself. However, those little hiccups will probably be addressed in a future update. If this was useful, let me know in the comments. To stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye bye.